Welcome back. So far, we have a working bot which can extract the data from PAN card and put it into an Excel. We want to train the same bot for Aadhaar card and license kind of inputs as well. Let's do it for license first of all. So this is our sample license which we will be extracting the data from. As you can see, the list of fields would be different here. We can extract number, name, father's name, address, and issued on these 5 fields from this license. To extract the data from license, we will have to make changes in 3 places. First of all, the list of fields is changing, so obviously there would be changes in taxonomy manager, and then we will have to classify the document accordingly and extract the data accordingly, means training our model or creation of the template. Let's get to it. I load the taxonomy manager first and create a new group called license. Category driver's license and add the document type. I am calling it as Indian driver's license. Add the fields to be extracted. First one was number. It's a number obviously. Save it. Name. It's a name. Save it. Father's name. Address. And issued on. It's a date. Again, format is optional. I am providing it. Save it. Taxonomy changes done. You will see all these fields to be extracted. Close the taxonomy manager. Now let's change the classification. Here we don't have to touch anything. We'll just go to manage learning and we have got a driver's license here. Add the key values. What all things will you definitely see on a license? Number was one of the field. Name was another. Address was the third one. Remember, these fields are not changing and these are being used only for the identification of the document by the bot. So 3 are enough. Just save it. Configure the classifier. Here we have got 2 of the classifications now. We'll choose the Indian driver's license here. Save it. And we will go and train our bot to extract the data from license. For that, I need to go to manage template and create a template here. This time it would be driver's license. Template name, I am calling it as license. Select the document. I'll go to this program where our inputs are and change the OCR engine to OmniPage OCR. Say configure. Maximize it. Say OK to this. As we have chosen the driver's license as our document type, we see the Indian driver license here. First field is to uniquely identify the document. I'll just choose any 5 fields which are not going to change on the license and click on plus sign. That's it. Now it's time to extract the fields which we listed in our taxonomy. First of all, number, license number. Scan this area, click on custom area, and click on this positive sign. Map it to the correct field. Next is name. This entire box name could be there. if it's a longer name. So I am scanning this complete area here, custom area, click on this positive sign, father's name, go back to the license, select this, done, map it to the father's name, address, this entire area I would select, custom area, address, and issued on date. Scan this area for issued on date. Custom area, click on this. Mapping is done. Save this and close it. After creating the template, there is one more change we need to do. Go to the configure extractor, and here if you see, we have the PAN card selected. Select driver's license now, because these are the fields we are going to extract. Save it. Save it. The model is trained to extract the data from license. In the output file, we'll go and create another sheet for the output. Let's call it license, and change the input. We want driver's license to be taken as an input here. I have put these input files into the input folder here. Accordingly, change your path, and that is it. We are ready to go. Let's try running it. And here we go. We have the required data extracted from the license. Save it, save and continue, and refresh. And we see the license sheet created here, and if we open that, we'll be able to see the required data extracted. Done. So now this bot can extract the data from both license and PAN card for you. Just make the changes in the classification scope and data extraction scope. Select the right configuration and select the right template, and done. We will be able to use it for both the license and PAN card. Same can be done with the Aadhaar card as well. Would you like to try your hands on Aadhaar card? Let me quickly summarize what all things did we learn in this video series. We have created a bot which can extract the data from PAN card and put it into a structured format like Excel, and same bot can be used for the license as well as Aadhaar card. Thanks all for watching. See you in my next video series. Happy learning. Thank you.